Yes, good morning, girls. I'm Janvi, ma'am. Like Pavani, ma'am is having some technical issue where I'm resolving. Just hold on, okay? She'll join once she gets the issue resolved. Okay? Please
Okay,
hold
ma'am.
on. Okay.
Baby Zainab, please mute yourself.
Good morning, Pavani, ma'am. Pavani, ma'am, good morning. Pavani, ma'am, good morning.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm?
Have you sent the notes of memory?
No. I'll do it.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm busy, ma. Like I have some other work going to college. I'll do it once I find time. Okay. I knew till
Okay,
syllabus
ma'am.
I have sent. I knew it once I come. I'll take. Pavani, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Yeah, I have admitted the students, ma'am. No issues. Like it happens.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Ma'am.
Okay. Continue, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm leaving, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, girls.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. See, as you have seen from right time, due to some technical problem, I got late to start the class.
It's okay,
So
ma'am.
I think so. In the last class, till which problem we have completed, I have to start the trial balance, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
15 problem you have to start.
15th problem I have to start.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. So on that day, I think so I've given the explanation of the trial balance. The last class explanation I have given. I think so. Trial
Yes,
balance.
ma'am.
What is the meaning of the trial? And I asked you to write also notes from the
Yes,
textbook.
ma'am.
Yes.
Have you written?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Written.
Okay. Yes, girls, are you ready with your books?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
One problem I'll show on the book first. How to do. As you can see, 15th one, they have given that prepare trial balance from the following particulars. From the following balance as on 31/3/2013. So when you are writing the heading, you have to write the heading as, they have given clearly, you should write the heading as trial balance as on. You should write trial balance as on, date they have given, no, that same date you have to write 31/3/2013. Okay. Now I said you that you should go through the format also, right? Yes, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
coming to this problem, as you can see, first they have given the capital. Yes. So when I prepared the trial balance problem, as you can see, the first column I made for name of the account. The next is debit balance in rupees, credit balance in rupees. So coming to the first one is capital. So what I'm doing under the name of the account, I'm writing it as capital. So coming to capital, capital is a liability, right?
Liability.
So coming to liability, which side we have to show debit balance or
Credit
credit
side.
balance?
Credit
On the
balance.
credit side, we have to write that amount we have to write. Whatever amount they have given as it is, we have to write. And after capital, next is stock. So after this, we should write the stock. Coming to the stock, stock is an asset. Coming to asset, asset will show the debit balance. So debit side, I'm writing the amount. The next is drawings.
Asset.
అది ఇప్పేనా జరా. So coming to the drawings, drawing will show the debit balance or credit balance.
Debit balance.
So it will show the debit balance. So we have to write debit side the amount. Debit side we have to write the amount. Then after that, as you can see, next is purchases.
Debit balance.
Then after drawings, next is purchases. Coming to the purchases.
Debit balance.
Coming to the purchases, purchase also will show the debit balance. So debit side we have to write the amount. Next is sales.
Credit balance.
Debit balance or credit balance? Purchase
Credit.
Credit balance for
purchase
sales.
return have to write under the credit column. The next is datas. Coming to datas.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what about discount salaries?
Ma'am, purchases is in debit, right?
Yes.
Yes, purchases in debit only.
Cash also. Yeah. Yeah, something you said?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, discount allowed.
Discount allowed is an expense, so it will come debit side.
Yes.
and sales, ma'am, credit debit.
Sales credit. Sales is an income, so it will come credit side.
Salary.
Salary is an expense,
Debit
debit
side.
side. So coming to the cash will come under debit side.
Ma'am, sales return,
Sales return will come under debit side. Purchase return will come under credit side.
Credit side.
Okay, the
Ma'am,
next
sales return.
sales return debit, purchase return credit.
Ma'am, salary.
Salary is an expense, debit side. Bank overdraft, credit side. Okay.
Debtors, creditors.
Debtors, debit side, creditors, credit side.
Wages.
Debit.
Wages, ma'am.
Debit side.
Cash.
Ma'am, cash.
Cash, debit.
Wages.
Wages, debit.
Bank overdraft.
Credit.
Bank overdraft, credit.
Wages debit, ma'am.
Wages, debit. Right? Finished?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Now,
cash and bank overdraft.
cash will come under debit. Bank overdraft will come under credit. Discount allowed, debit.
Discount received will be credit.
Yeah. Finished?
Yes.
Now after this, what you have to do? You have to do the total. So both side also should come the same total, debit side and the credit side, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 10,50,000.
So next one you see just coming to the next one. Next one also same they have given. It is a very small problem. And there are also a few items they have given. From that you have to prepare the trial balance in a similar way. You have to prepare. Right now you have to do. And coming to the problems also just you see once. Problems, long problems you see. They have given the first one as journalize the following transactions of Hari and brothers. Journal entries are there and previous whatever problems you have done, this easily you can do from this. And I think so you will not get any doubt. First, second, and right now you have to do. So first I'll take the attendance, girls. The why less strength, girls? Why less strength?
Due to network problem, ma'am, because some are able to access and some are not. If they
Yeah,
are
yeah.
admitting also, then network has gone, then means they are disconnected.
Okay, okay.
And some girls thought there is no class today.
No, there is no.
I did not inform her that the class is not there. I said only 13th and 14th is holiday, right?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
She is talking about English next class.
Okay. Okay, ba. So the girls from Malakpet, raise your hand. Girls from Malakpet, raise your hand. Quick, girls. Okay, girls from Shalibanda, down your hands first. Lower your hand, Malakpet girls. Girls from Shalibanda, raise your hand. Girls from Shalibanda. Quick, girls. Okay, girls. Lower your hands. So I hope that most of the girls are having the textbooks, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, we have.
Four girls have not raised their hands.
From Shalibanda.
Yes.
Might be they are sleeping. Ma. Okay. So right now, actually, I'm also facing some technical problems here, and even on my phone, in my phone, the charging is not there much. That's why what I said to you right now, first you do that problems. The technical issue I'll solve, and again I'll join the class. Till that time you do. Okay, I'll keep the charging. Till that time you do the problem. I'm again joining within 5 minutes. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Mariam. Mariam.
We have to do the 16th one, or we have to directly start the problems?
First do 16th one and then we have to start the problems.
Okay, thank you.
Adiba. Salary comes in debit or credit?
Debit.
Okay, thank you.
Someone is saying something. Actually, I was disconnected. Yes, tell me what happened.
I am telling Sumaya.
Yeah, Sumaya, what
Asking
happened?
for salary to come which.
Debit side. It is expense, no? It comes in debit.
Yeah, Mariam. Adiba, tell me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mariam, bills payable will be in
Debit.
debit. Okay. Sundry debtors.
Bills payable will be in credit.
Bills payable will be in credit.
Yes.
Why? It is an
Sundry debtors will
expenses,
be in
na?
debit. Bills payable will be
In debit
yes, in debit only.
because it is expense.
Expense, yes.
No, it is a liability, but for trial balance, all the
We have to take the
expenses
nominal.
losses comes in debit side now.
Okay, first you do all the first you finish the problem and then calculate. You'll get to know.
Okay.
Sundry debtor,
Sundry debtors in debit.
Sundry debtors and debtors both are same.
Hmm.
Adiba, can you send the first and second question in the bills payable will be in credit.
Repeat once.
Adiba, bills payable will be in credit
Credit side.
because it is a liability to the business.
So in trial balance, all the expenses and losses comes in the debit side now.
No, but it is the liability, you know. Bills receivable
हाँ
will be income.
हाँ तो अच्छा समझ गई.
Mariam, can you send the first and second question in the group?
Question, second question. Right now, I don't have the textbook.
Mariam,
Yes.
Mariam, I am repeating the 16th one just to listen. Capital credit side, sales return debit side, furniture debit side, drawings debit side, bills payable credit side, sundry debtors debit side.
Yes. Sundry debtors, debit side.
Hmm.
Answer is 65,000, right?
Yes,
And what about first problem? We have to do like earlier, like this journal entries,
like
date,
journal
particular.
entries.
Yes, we'll discuss right now only. Can
Adiba,
somebody send the question? Because right now I don't have textbook.
Okay, I will send your picture only.
Adiba repeated 116 problem. Capital debtor, debit
No,
side,
capital credit side.
capital credit side,
Yes, sales return,
sales return,
side,
debit side, furniture
furniture.
credit side,
No, furniture
drawing,
debit side.
okay,
It is an asset,
furniture
na?
debit side, credit,
Drawings debit,
drawing debit side, bills
bills
payable credit
payable,
side, sundry debtor
sundry debtor,
debit
debit
side.
side. Hmm.
Okay, thank you.
It's okay.
Okay, generalizing first question. Business started
Business.
with 2 lakhs and cash deposited in bank.
Hmm.
So entry will be
Commence business with cash, I think.
cash account debtor to bank account. Cash is coming in, deposited in bank, debit the receiver, credit the giver. So bank is receiver, bank to cash.
Bank is receiver. The bank account data to cash account.
Yes,
To bank account.
bank to cash.
Hmm.
Machinery purchased on credit from A.
Narration भी करना है. Being
Being cash
Business
deposited
started.
in bank.
Being
No, being cash deposited in bank.
bank.
Maria,
Yes.
cash account data to bank account, na?
No.
Cash
From the
account
business,
debtor.
cash is going. No, cash is not coming in from the business. Cash is
Capital
going, right?
account.
Because we are depositing in the bank. We are not having a cash balance. It is a bank balance, right? So that's the reason we should credit cash.
being cash deposited in the bank.
Yes. Girls, if ma'am came, so please inform me.
Okay.
Machinery purchased on credit from A.
Machinery account data to A account.
A
A
account.
account.
Credit from A.
Purchased.
Hold on. Machinery purchase बोले तो machinery. Machinery account
Machinery
data
account
to
data to
A
A
account.
account.
Being machinery purchased.
From A.
On credit, you should write on credit also.
Hmm.
On credit from A. On credit also.
Furniture purchased from B for cash. So same entry like this.
Furniture
Furniture purchase. Debit what comes in. So furniture account data to cash account.
Cash account. Furniture account debtor to cash account.
Yes.
Being furniture purchased from cash.
Goods sold goods to Y. Sold sales.
Y account debtor to sales account.
Sold बोले तो Y account data to
Y
sales.
account data to sales account. Debit that Y.
Being
Goods written by Y बोल रहा ना.
being
Being goods sold. Being goods sold.
being for credit
Can
return.
you please
No.
repeat? Goods sold to Y.
Goods sold to Y, no. Y account data
To purchase account.
to sales account. Goods sold.
Okay, sales.
So narration will be being goods sold to Y or being
White.
Goods written by Y.
returned.
Purchase account data to
Return account data to Y account.
Sales return account
Sales
data
returns
to
will
Y.
be there, no.
sales return
Sales returns account data to
Y
Y account.
account.
Because we are receiving and Y is the giver. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So we need to credit Y and sales returns account data to Y account. Girls, send the second question also in group.
Second question नहीं है अभी इसका continuation भी है.
अच्छा है. Okay.
I don't have that. Please send in group.
Yeah, it has already been sent. Sarah,
I'll just check.
MS.
Jazakallah khair.
Completed.
Goods sold for cash.
For
Cash
cash.
account data to
Cash
sales
account data
account.
to sales account.
Sold. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So cash account data to
Sales
sales
account.
account.
Cash received from buy.
एक सेकंड वो तो लिखने दो. और जो लिख रहे कोई अगर नरेशन के साथ लिख रहे तो प्लीज मेरे को फॉरवर्ड करिए आप लोग, क्योंकि आई एम नॉट राइटिंग बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव एनी बुक राइट नाउ.
Okay. Okay.
Being goods sold for cash narration. Can you proceed for the second entry next?
No. This was sales account to no. This was cash account to sales account.
Yes.
Cash account debtor to sales account, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my God, I'm learning. Cash account debtor to Y account.
Yes.
Cash received from Y. Debit the receiver, credit the giver from Y. So Y is the
Cash account data to Y account.
yes, cash account data to Y account.
Buy account. Advertisement expenses.
Now what will be the
Cash
entry?
Advertisement
account data to cash account.
Expenses account data to advertisement account.
No. Advertisement account data to
Advertisement
cash
account
account.
data to cash account.
Yes.
Advertisement account data to cash account, because advertisement is expense. So nominal account rule, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So it will be advertisement account data to cash account, and narration will be being
advertisement expenses.
advertisement expenses paid, or advertisement expenses. That's it.
Stationery purchased for.
Stationery purchased.
Stationery
Debit what
account
comes
data
in.
to cash
Stationery account.
Stationery account data to
Stationery
cash account.
account to purchase account, right?
No, cash account.
Data to cash account.
So stationery account data to cash account.
Cash account data.
Yes.
Cash account. Being for stationery purchase.
Yes.
Can anyone tell me the first transaction of first problem? Journal entry.
Cash account data to bank account.
Business started with 2 lakh. What
Sorry,
was the-
Habiba, you're saying the wrong entry. Bank to cash.
Sorry, bank account data to cash account.
Yeah.
Okay, which amount are you taking?
2 lakh.
First entry cash account data to capital account maker
Yes, there are 2 entries in this first transaction.
20,000 value.
Yeah, first one is cash to
One.
capital 2 lakh.
2 lakh.
And then 60,000 is another.
So bank
तो
to
first
cash,
cash account data to
60,000.
capital account करना.
Cash account to capital account, then
Then bank to
bank
cash.
account of
to bank, yes. There are 2 credit lines and 1 debit line, I think.
Just a second.
Cash account data
capital account.
to capital, then to bank.
No, in next entry bank account data to cash account.
Cash account data.
Cash account data to capital account will be 2 lakh, and then bank to cash will be 60,000.
Exactly.
Yes, then there will be difference between the credit and debit amounts now.
First entry, I'm
Cash
saying the
to
whole
capital
first
2
entry.
lakh 2 lakh. Then bank to cash 60.
Yeah, correct.
We are not combining this.
No, separately we are
Just
writing
repeat
it.
the first entry. Mariam,
Okay.
repeat the first entry.
Cash account data to capital account.
Cash account data to capital account 2 lakh will be the amount. And next, first entry only, next bank to cash. That will be 60,000.
Bank to cash.
Or otherwise, we'll make the compound entry of it.
We cannot make it.
We can.
No.
No, cash is in in first transaction. The
It's
cash is
in debit side.
line, and then in the second, the cash is in the credit line. Na?
Yeah, we can't make compound entry.
I thought in the second transaction also cash is in the debit line, so I asked about it.
Next will be stationery finish, no purchase rent.
Mariam,
Paid rent, sorry.
Paid rent.
Rent
Rent
account data to cash account.
Mariam.
Yes.
First cash account data to capital account, then bank account data to
Cash account.
Cash account.
Paid rent account data to cash account. Whenever paid is there, we need to credit the cash transaction. So rent account data to cash
Cash
account.
account.
20,000, 2,000. 2,000.
B.
Can we start
Paid rent.
second?
बहुत है,
हाँ?
बहुत है, मतलब इतने नहीं कर सकते, खाली 2-3
क्यों नहीं कर सकते? अलीवा.
Mariam, I'm still confused in first one what you told now. Please can you explain? I'm sorry for disturbing you.
First is business started with 2 lakhs. Okay, business started with 2 lakhs. That's it. He used to give like this entry only, and in second transaction, he should give cash deposited in bank. But to make us confused, he has given business started with 2 lakh and cash deposited in bank 60,000. So we need to what we can say, decentralize this. We need to break these entries. That is, business started with cash. So in our business, cash is coming. That is 2 lakhs. So we need to debit cash account data to, in which account it is coming? Capital account. So cash account data to capital account. Arre. Mama.
Daddy.
Adiba.
Achilles started business with cash.
Deepa, just a second. You have to wait. Complete it.
What?
We'll go for the second question. Shall we? Transaction of Akhilesh for April 2013 are given below. Generalize them. So our date is
April
1st April 2013. And Akhilesh started business with cash. So cash account data to capital account.
Oh, okay, capital account.
See, Sarah, in this question, he has break the entry paid into bank. In first question, he has confused us.
Yes, I see.
Adiba?
Is paid into bank means deposited in bank only, right?
Next account now.
Huh? First, we will go through one by one, no, step by step. Why you are going for
No, I'm saying this paid into bank is means deposited in bank only, na?
Yeah.
Mariam, repeat second one, first entry.
Second question, first entry. Akhilesh started business with cash 2 lakhs. So, cash account data to capital account. That is 2 lakhs.
Capital नहीं आता ना, अखिलेश आता ना.
mention कराना Mariam.
अखिलेश क्यों आता?
अखिलेश started तो उसका आंसर गया ना, मतलब.
Akhilesh capital account.
Have you forgotten the rule of accounting? What is that? Accounting means
confused हो गए थे.
It will come as cash account data to Akhilesh capital account.
हाँ, समझ गए.
Right, girls? Cash to Akhilesh capital, no?
Yes.
Again, getting confused here.
We should not mention the name.
Why you will not? Here, actually, they have given the transactions of Akhilesh. They have mentioned, no?
So we have to write capital account.
capital account, because when you are writing the heading, you are writing the heading as journal entries in the books of Akhilesh or Akhilesh journals, write this, you are writing the heading, no?
And
That
ma'am, in accountancy, we won't write the name of the creditor from which we are making the account.
I didn't get what you're asking.
जिसका मतलब जिसका अकाउंट प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं उसका नाम एंट्री में नहीं लिखते.
No, no.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So the entry will
Can
be
you
cash
please
account at our
explain
capital
the
account.
first entry
Yeah.
of
You have
this
done the 16th
problems? First problem and first entry.
You have done the 16th one?
16th
ma'am,
one
done.
also, ma'am.
65,000
Problem
tallied.
for first
Yes,
also.
ma'am. Done
First one also you have done? First problem,
Yes,
journal.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
first problem, first one, I'm getting a doubt a little bit.
What is the doubt? Tell me.
Here to bank and cash is taken into consideration both, and capital also is taken into consideration.
So actually
Uh,
here, listen. Here as you can write the two entries, otherwise you can write the compound entry. If you will write the two entries, the entry will be cash account retired to capital account. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
And another entry will be bank account retired to cash account.
Cash account.
And ma'am, for
Yes.
the compound entry,
Ma'am, then here two different amounts are there, like started business with 2 lakh and deposited with 60,000.
So two amounts separately you write. No, that's why I said no, two entries you write for this. Business started with cash rupees 2 lakhs they have given. No, so when you're writing for that 2 lakhs you write, and out of that they are deposited in the bank only 60,000. So what a separate entry you write, bank to cash.
Ma'am, tell once about the compound entry now.
If you will write the compound entry, it will be again difficult. Its compound entry will not come by, because if two debits are there or two credits same will be there, then we can write. But here it is different, no? Like see, when we have written the entry, first one what we have written, cash to capital we have written. So cash we are account we are debiting, and we are creating the bank account, right? Sorry, capital
Yes,
account we are
ma'am.
debiting.
Capital account.
I said that bank account we are debiting and cash account we are crediting. So at a time, cash account we cannot credit, no? We cannot debit the cash and we cannot credit the cash, no?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So there will
ma'am.
be no compound entry.
Separate entry if you will write, it will be better, ma.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Second one we have done.
Doing
Second,
it, ma'am.
We are doing only, ma'am.
Just
and even
started.
third one. Even third also you do, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Third also you do. Okay, ma.
Yes.
Tomorrow I'll see.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma. I'm having the class, generals class. I'm ending here only.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
English class is there.
Arabic
No,
is not there.
Arabic class is not there.
Why?
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, inform us in group na.
Okay, let me check once.
So we'll go through the Neelofer road. It will be long that we will go through it.